Hi everyone, welcome to C2Green, your green energy and sustainable assistant. On the screen, you can see the C2Green Square avatar. The avatar represents our AI agents who guide users in making smarter and greener choices at home. First, let's look at the Green Energy Hub. This feature helps users optimize their appliances using usage by matching it with renewable energy availability, such as solar and wind power. To get started, the user is simply enter the appliance such as C2Green will generate an optimized energy schedule and suggestion. It's like the green energy grid aspect, creating a daily schedule that prioritizes solar energy during the day, especially during the 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., and wind energy during the night or early morning. The system also helps users to avoid the high carbon peak hours, usually between the 5 p.m. to 9 p.m., when the grid depends more on the coal-fired power. Next, C2 Greens provide a personal carbon footprint analysis. This shows the estimated carbon footprint reduced percentage explains how the reducing CO2 are achieved and give real world impact. Now let's move to the second main features which is the sustainable recycle guide. So here we can enter the item want to discuss such as smartphone, C2Green then acts as the AI sustainable auditor. It checks whether there is enough information about the item condition. If the user enters the item name only, it will likely ask for the more detail, such as what is the broken, whether it's malfunctioning or is there any safety concern. So here we state that our smartphone is broken and to start. So now, once details are provided, the system gives the three clear options, which is we want to repair, upcycle, or disposal. For repair, it suggests practical spec and estimate cost in regulation. For upcycling, it gives the creative reuse ideas. And for disposal, it explains how to safely recover and recycle material. Finally, C2 Green will generate upcycling project inspiration, a realistic image showing that the finished upcycle item could look like at home. Overall, C2Green make the sustainable simple, visual, and actionable, helping users save energy, reduce waste, and make greener choice every day. So I will pass to my colleague. Okay.
Thank you, Hidayah, for a very nice presentation. Now let me explain about real-world impact of our solution. So the real-world impact of our solution. A green technology refers to the innovation that is designed to reduce the negative impact on the environment. This is achieved by improving the energy efficiency, lower carbon emission, and promote a sustainable use of a resource. Today, climate change is become more real and more visible. We are facing temperature, extreme weather, and increase in environmental challenge. One of the key issues contribute to this is our dependency on a fossil fuel, which is a natural and also natural gas and coal, which has led to an ongoing energy crisis. So, by shifting to a clean energy source such as solar and hydropower, we can reduce the household reliance on a coal and natural gas. This not only lower the carbon emission, but also support a sustainable energy future. Another major concern is pollution and environment degradation and environmental degradation. By encouraging the use of a clean energy, we can significantly reduce our pollution level and help create a cleaner and healthier environment for everyone. In addition, to make sure that our chatbot is user friendly, we are emphasizing several important features such as the content that has been generated by the chatbot need to be simple and have an organized structure. Second, the chatbot need to have the interactive element to engage the user. Third is provide a clear instruction for easy understanding. And last but not least, is have a readable topography with emoji to make the chatbot more interactive and user-friendly. All of these elements are carefully designed to ensure that the user feel comfortable using the chatbot and are encouraged to continue using it in the future. I will pass the presentation to my colleague Sintu. Thank you.
Thank you, Akif. Now I will be talking about the reliability of our application. So our application ensures reliability to three main factors, which is consistency, accuracy, and dependability. So we ensure consistency by ensuring that our application has a standardized and a uniform design across the application, which allows the users to have a unified and predictable experience and not make them feel overwhelmed. The second factor is accuracy by providing personalized and accurate information and guidance based on the user specific information which they have inputted into the application. And the third factor is dependability by ensuring the application has a high availability and uptime and minimizing the downtime of the application, which ensures that the application is operational when needed by the user at any point in time by utilizing reliable cloud hosting. So next is scalability. So we have planned a few things to ensure that our application is scalable in the future. The first thing is enabling our application to be able to be available in multiple different platforms. So, for example, in smartphones such as Android and iPhone, in tablets, and so far and so forth. The second factor is multi-cloud hosting. So currently our application is only hosted on a singular cloud. So by enabling multi-cloud hosting, we're able to ensure by having a plan for by having a disaster recovery plan. The third factor is continuous learning. We want to be able to ensure that our application has continuous learning by enabling it to learn using multiple users' inputs and not being dim-witted, and ensuring that it continuously learns and improves its response. The final factor is integration with real systems. We want to ensure that our application is able to be integrated with real systems such as smart home devices like Google Home and so on. So that is all from us. Thank you.